Hello, welcome to my channel. This is EdiEdu, and like I said before, all we do here is education on different things. Today we'll be doing an artwork for classroom decoration. You can use it at home too, to actually make our home look nice and also our children motivated all the time. In doing this, I'll be needing the following. This is my top gum and my scissors. This is my cutter. This is my rule, and this is my cardboard. Actually, you can use sheetboard for this, but for now I'll be using cardboard. I have here these are called sugar pepper. I have them of different colors, and this is my brown paper. This is my brown paper. I'll be using this for this work, brown paper. So I'll be making a border for my work. I'm making a border for my work. Okay, I want to use my blue. I'll be using blue sugar pepper to make my border. So I'm going to fold this into two equal half. I'll make sure then I'll use my cutter to cut it into two. Okay, I've successfully cut it into two halves. So now I'll be using one of the half. So I'll cut it, I'll fold again into two and cut, then fold again into another two to get the size that I want. So I've folded this again, so I'm going to cut it now. I'm going to cut it now using my cutter. So here now I'm going to make my border. This is it. I'm going to make my border. Now I'm going to fold this way. When I fold this way, I turn it like this. Turn it this way. That's how I'll continue until I get to the end. Until I get what I'm doing. This way we'll have this, and here will be white, and I'll do this again, then have this. Okay, here I'm through with it. So I'll be using my scissors now to work. So I use my scissors to do this. I'm going to do like a triangle. So I'll do triangle in two places. So I've actually done this. I did triangle two places, then did a square. So I'm going to open this now. This is what I have. This is my border. So I'm going to make another one. This is my border. I'll place it on my cardboard. Okay, now I've my cardboard, so I'm going to use borders This is what I have. I'm going to use borders. I'll use gum to attach it to my cardboard. So I have this. I'll use my gum to rub on it this way. So I've put gum on this. Okay, I have this now. So I'm going to do the border for the corners and then come back to us. Okay, I have this now. I have this on the borders. Don't know if you can see this. So I'll proceed to making out my tree trunk. I'll be using this, but before I use this brown paper, I have to squeeze it. I have to squeeze it, make it look rough. Of course, trees trunks are not smooth, though some may be, but not too smooth. So I have this now. I'm going to cut it. I'll use a pencil to actually design how I want to cut it, make it look like a tree. So this is what I have. I'm going to cut it now with my scissors. Just follow as I do this work. Wow, I have this. This is what I have. So I'm going to attach it to my cardboard. This is what I have. So I'm going to attach it with my gum. So I'm done with this. I'm going to construct their branches and then their stems, including their leaves. So just watch out as I do all of this. I'm taking this. Want to use this for. Remember, it's not a big tree. Just actually a small tree. I want to use this for a branch. A branch, yes. So I'm going to also stick this to the tree. Okay, I have this now. Just like I showed us, these are my branches. So I'm going to create leaves for this. I'm going to create leaves for this. Of course, leaves are usually green. So I'll be using a green. Sugar paper to do my leaves. So I have here my green sugar pepper. So I'll do this. I'm going to cut this into two. Okay, I have this. So I'm going to fold again, fold again. So I want to have big leaves, so I'll leave it at this. Then I'm going to use my pencil to draw an eye on this paper. So like an eye, shape of an eye, which will equally look like, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to cut this so that you can see. So I'll be using my scissors for this. I'm going to cut according to my lines to see what I'll get. I'll actually get leaves. So I hope this makes sense to you now. Hope it makes sense to you. These are my leaves. I'm going to attach to the branches. These are my leaves. I hope it makes sense to you. So I'm going to use my gum to attach it. So I'm using my gum to attach it to my I'm using my gum to attach it. I'll also make a smaller leaf for this, so that when I'm attaching, they go well. So I've started to place the leaves, as you can see. So I'm going to finish up placing the leaves, then I'll tell us the next thing to do. Like I said, use your gum, attach it to the branches, make it look nice. You can see mine. So I'm going to do more of the work and make it look nice, then tell us the next thing to do. Okay, let's get started. So I'm done with fixing the leaves, so I'll go over to okay, now we are going to actually do flower. Just put beside the tree. So for me to do the flower, this is what I have. I'm going to make like a triangle, making sure that the edges actually rhyme together. Yes, this is it. And then can you see this? Then I'll cut. We'll actually cut off this excess. Now I have this, so I'm going to fold this into another triangle. I have this now, and I'll fold it again. So holding here, I have 1, 2, 3 layers. 1, 2, 3 layers. But if you can see this, now I'm going to use my pencil to draw something on this to make it nice. So I actually have this. Now I'm going to cut, based on what I've done here now. I'm going to cut it this way. See what I have here. Look at the way it's looking. Then I'm going to open it, and this will give me a nice flower. Wow, this is beautiful. Can you see this? This is beautiful. So I'll do another one. I think I have another one here. I have this color, so I'm going to attach them, make them look beautiful, placing them on my cardboard. So I'll get back to us as I do this. Okay, I've placed the flowers. Hope you can see it now. I've placed it. So I'm going to proceed. I'm going to show us something else we'll be doing. I'll do what we call like a grass for my tree. I'll do a grass, this thing for my tree. So let's just watch out. I'll be using this color of sugar pepper to actually create this grass for my tree. So like I did before, I'll fold into 2. I'll fold into 2. In fact, I'm going to fold this into 4 places. When I'm done with this, I'll fold again until I get to the size that I want. Okay, I have this size now, so I'll be folding again. So this is how I'm going to do this to get actually to make my grass like in form of triangle. So I'll continue this. If you can see what I'm doing here, I'll continue in this trend until I get to the end. I'll continue in this trend until I get to the end. Okay, I think I'm done with this. You can see it. So now I'm done with this. So I'm going to open it and cut it into two, then place it on my cardboard. Then let's see how it goes. All right, so I have this now. This is my grass, like I told you, and this is my flower. So I'll be doing a fruit now that I'll add to my tree. So I just drew apple fruits here, so I'll use my scissors to cut them to these shapes and attach it to my tree. So look out for this. All right, now I've carved that what I drew on the paper, and I have stuff like this. So I'm going to use my gum and attach it to my tree. Attach it to my tree. So I'm attaching the apples to the fruits, to the trees, to the stems. And then I think I have a fallen fruits. I have a fallen fruit here. Fruit actually fell down. So this is what I have. So how do you see this? This is my fallen fruits. It fell off from the tree. And these are other ones on the tree. So I think with this, I've come to the end of this lesson. So like I said, this is my grass, these are my borders, my leaves, my fruits, and then the branches. I hope you enjoyed the class. So I'll see you next time. But if you have questions, don't forget to ask. I'll be there to reply all your questions in the comment box. Please like and share, and also subscribe to my channel. This is EdiEdu. Thank you.